Yeah, and I just wanted to ask you if you have any comments, questions, concerns by chance.
Yeah, well, I happen to also love the yellow taco truck that's in town too.
Yeah, I'm actually really good friends with the owner of the place. I would like to just add more variety of food in the area.
Yeah, that would be great for the community. So, but I am worried that I won't enjoy the food that you serve.
I totally understand that, and we believe that we offer many options on our menu to fit anyone's taste. And we are open to feedback to see if we can improve upon all of the food that we make moving forward.
What else will you serve here?
Yeah, we're going to offer seafood dishes, veggie dishes, beef dishes, and pork dishes to meet the customer demands, but our most popular is probably going to be our chicken dishes.
That's great to hear. I tend to get food home from my job, and I tend to get home from my job late.
Hmm.
So, will I have time to stop by your food truck?
Yeah, unless you get home from around midnight every night, then you won't miss us. We're open from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. at night on weekdays, and on weekends we close actually at 2 a.m.
By these times.
This actually gives people the opportunity to get our lunch, midday meals, dinner, or even late night meals throughout the week and offers people on the weekends to enjoy a meal after a long night out.
That's super smart. What are your average prices?
Yeah, so our average price per dish will come out to around $7 to $8 a meal, and that includes a main dish, the side of rice, and also a fountain drink that we provide. Compare this to an average meal at McDonald's. It is about $1 to $1.50, actually cheaper.
Don't you have to take the time of production into consideration too?
Absolutely. The time it takes for an average person to go through the drive-through at, like, let's say McDonald's or even Burger King, the goal is about 3 minutes. Our average time for your meal, once you order it at the register, is about in the 5 minute range. This keeps the money average kind of the same as I stated before.
Well put. So, where do you find the resources available to make your food?
Yeah, we partner with local butchers, farmers, to have the freshest and best food source available. Um, and we also keep the waste food down this way, just because we get stuff pretty much fresh every day, if not every other day.
I love when local businesses support other local businesses in this community.
Absolutely.